Alright guys, so welcome to part 3 of the suitable video. So all I'm going to do in this video is just kind of explain to you like what all the tabs are and if you really need them or not. So I'm at the moment in the scorecard, right? So basically all this does is kind of show you the total amount of points you have in your current level. None of this is really necessary. Just make sure that when you do get here to click on your dashboard and make sure you're at the HR professional development page. And what we're really looking for is that you're on this page to show that you're on the HR side. Otherwise, nothing else really matters too much. And at the bottom here, I'll show you the achievements tab. So how far you've gotten with your badges and everything. So that's the scorecard tab. Activities tab is basically the incoming HR activities that are going to be available. And if you click on one of them, it's going to tell you what you have to do to get the badge for it, or it's going to tell you when the event's coming up. Leaderboard. So this is pretty simple. Basically, how many points people have. In the case here, we have Chloe and Mariana for 270 points. They're the ones with the most points on the board. The achievements tab we discussed in the previous video, so I'm not going to really go over that. The sports section is just if you're looking for certain employers, so it's kind of like your version of CSPD. I don't know if anything's really up yet. Let's try, for example, I'll do Vanguard. If they come up. And this is kind of just like a search bar for looking for employers that might have some information for you regarding their company and everything. In my case, I couldn't find Vanguard, but I'll type in something here. Maybe something pop up. Audi. Okay, so we'll click on Audi here, and it'll give you a small little description of the company itself, and then if there anything shows up for activities, it'll show up on the right, which this company doesn't have yet. And then if we go to portfolio, this tab really doesn't really much mean of anything, but what I do have to explain to you here is it does say add portfolio item. What you want to do if you ever get to this tab is to do nothing. Clicking on add portfolio here is actually going to create a lot of trouble for uploading your submissions and stuff, because you're only supposed to upload submissions from the achievements tab, which is located here. So anytime you do explore suitable, make sure that if you're at the portfolio section, just do nothing. The only thing it's supposed to do here is to display to you basically what you've uploaded so far. So in the previous video, I uploaded my academic information and my IAT and self-assessment test. These two things are just shown here to show that you are uploaded, and that's about it.